So let's talk about conserving water. Not filling the sink when you're washing dishes. Use a smaller container in the sink. Fill that and wash your dishes out of that little container. Already went
Wipe
over.
your plates out instead of rinsing them out.
Yeah, when you're done
Paper
eating,
towels.
take a paper towel and wipe the plate out into the garbage first. And of course, using paper plates is always an option too, and you can just throw them out when you're done eating. Showers, we do showers every 2 to 3 days. A lot of times, Jen will even wash her hair in the kitchen sink just to help conserve water. And when you're boondocking and doing your showers, we don't take them every day. But, when you do take a shower, you just have a bad hair day and you just can't do a thing with your hair. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. What? Who are you barking at? Bad hair, bad hair. And when we go down to dump our tanks, we just have to do it once per week. That's because our tanks just don't allow us, our holding tanks don't allow us to do it any more often than that. I like to get up early on a Saturday morning, go down and be the first one in line. One thing I do use out here that's really helpful is 2 7-gallon freshwater containers. And I go up and fill those up and bring them back here to the trailer. And I have a water pump that I use to transfer the water from those 7-gallon containers into the trailer. So it is an electric pump. It does need to be plugged in. That way, by using the 2 7-gallon containers, I don't have to drive the trailer up to fill it up at the water station. Food, when you're leaving and first starting out for your vacation or full timing, don't overload your trailer with food because there are grocery stores on the way. I think we kind of went a little bit overboard. So used to being in our sticks and bricks and going to the store and just stocking up on things and having extra everything laying around. It was really nice. But now that we're on the road, we're finding, man, it loads your trailer. You got to watch that weight. So when you're putting food in the freezer, we brought our food saver along, which has been fantastic because we can seal everything in the food saver.
You can get used to how much space your freezer actually has and what you can store.
Right. And, you just want to make sure that there's always room for leftovers as well. Clothes. How many clothes do you bring along? I think I brought too many.
Never have too many clothes. Or you can always buy more as you go along.
There you go. Like I said before, there's always stores along the way.
There's always that souvenir shop where you have to have that t-shirt.
That's right. T-shirts or sweatshirts. We're hoodie fans here, so we're always buying hoodies somewhere. And speaking about clothes, and you want to talk about how many socks and underwear do you want to bring along. Again, there's stores along the way and laundromats. So, you don't need to bring a whole bunch of underwear and socks along.
You do want to figure out how often you really want to do laundry and kind of gauge it from where you want to opposed to where you think you need to.
Right. Everybody's different. You just have to find what's comfortable. Another tip that we have would be the weather is really dry down here, so you want to bring hand cream. You need to bring enough hand cream and bring what you like to use for you. I find my hands around my fingernails and stuff dry out quite a bit.
I keep one in the truck, one in the house,
one in her purse.
Chapstick. There's one of those in every room of the house. And my purse, and the truck.
Okay, what about your fur babies? If you have dogs or cats along.
Keep at least one on hand at all times.
There you go. We have 2 Chihuahuas, and they just love traveling. They just, wherever we land, they're happy. We have a crate in the back seat. We put them in on travel days, and they just lay down and go to sleep. We don't hear a peep out of them. Outside play area.
We have their playpens.
We do set up a playpen outside. It does go in under the stairs so that they can come and go when we leave the front door open. They can come out in the sunshine and enjoy it, or they can go back inside if they get too warm. It's pretty nice. I think they're a little spoiled myself. And then water for our pets. You know, do you want to use tap water?
No.
No. If you have a lot of minerals or hard water, it's better to give your cats and dogs bottled water.
And don't let them drink out of the puddles.
Oh, yes, we took ours out for a walk in the RV park where they had concrete driveways and there was puddles out there and they got drinks out of those, and well, we had puppies with bad poo-poo for a couple of days.
Which increases your laundry facility usage immensely.
Especially if they accidentally throw up in bed or something. That's no fun. So,
2 o'clock in the morning sheet changes, never fun.
Never fun. So just keep an eye on your pets and what they're getting into. And of course, out here in Quartzsite, your truck is just going to get filthy, or your car, or whatever you might have, your trailer, motorhome. So, you know, it's like, what's the point of washing it?
None.
None. We've been out here, let's see, we got here November 3rd. Today is what, February 7th? And I've washed it actually twice so far, and I'll tell you what, right after you wash it within 2 days, it looks like it did before you washed it. So, you know, it's up to you how often you want to wash your truck or your trailer. Haven't even washed the trailer yet, it's looking pretty dirty. Okay, another thing to talk about out here is power. What are you going to do for power? We run a generator. We do not have solar power. There's a lot of people out here that do. Almost everybody has solar. It does have a 30 amp travel trailer or RV outlet built into it, so we can plug right into it with our 30 amp cable. Also in the morning when we get up, it's nice to turn the coffee maker on. You want to make sure that if you have a electric and propane refrigerator, that when you turn that generator off, your refrigerator goes back onto propane. Make sure the light there on the front of your refrigerator stays green. And of course, zero gravity chairs are a must out here in the desert. Sunbathing, reading out in the sun, and stargazing at night. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Maybe there was a tip or trick or something in there that you found that you could use if you're out boondocking. A lot of things that we covered here today could be used anywhere when you're boondocking. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.